Hey guys, Patrick here, and I'd like to welcome you on behalf of my partner Sandra Kiss to our brand new training, Advanced List Building Mastery. Thanks for being our student. I really appreciate your presence. So, Facebook advertising is a fantastic way to build up a giant email list quickly and easily. But if you want to add thousands of new subscribers to your list, if you want to get better results and spend less money on your ads, then you have to deploy advanced list building strategies that only top marketers and professional Facebook marketing agencies use. And this is the reason why we created this training. Not everybody has access to this knowledge, so we decided to share it with you. I'll show you step by step how to drastically increase the growth of your email list. It's not what everybody is doing, I know, but what you will discover is more advanced, and there is simply no better way to generate leads. So by the end of this training, you will dominate 3 of the most powerful list building features that Facebook has to offer: conversion tracking, retargeting, and lookalike audiences. We'll cover core concepts behind each feature, deadly pitfalls, and detailed instructions on how to use these features in an efficient way. So I hope you're excited. I hope you're looking forward to discover a number of proven and tested list building strategies, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Here's the thing, this course is different. We'll not cover basic list building techniques. What you will get is the entire advanced list building package. The basic way of building an email list with Facebook ads is reaching out to potential subscribers by using something called interest targeting. Now, I have nothing against interest targeting. It's a great way to get started building a list. But if you can, you should take the next step and deploy more advanced list building strategies. And that's what you'll discover in this training. It's not the basic stuff. What you're about to learn is more advanced, but also more efficient than the old school way of building a list. I'll show you how to use conversion tracking, lookalike audiences, and something called retargeting to grow your list faster, more effective, and cheaper. That's why this training is different. So let's get started with changing your business today. The first strategy as we'll cover is called conversion tracking. So the basic form of building a list with Facebook is sending traffic to a website and hoping that this traffic will convert. Now, conversion tracking is a true game changer. With conversion tracking, you can tell exactly which ads and which campaigns deliver the best results on Facebook. If you want to build up a list like a professional Facebook marketing agency, then you've got to work with conversion tracking. So in the following videos, we will cover what conversion tracking is and how you can deploy conversion tracking to build your list more effectively.